Hi everyone, let's see how you can download and install Google Chrome using Windows PowerShell. Simply run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Now type this command and hit enter. At this point, press Y and hit enter again. That's it. Now simply wait for the download and installation to finish. The installation will be totally automatic, so you don't have to do anything. It will do everything from its own. That's it. Google Chrome is now successfully installed. So this method becomes handy when you have just installed the operating system and there are no browsers in your system. So following this method, you can install Chrome without any hassle. So that's it for today. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.